Hello, hello. Can anyone hear me? Let's see, we should be live. Yes, awesome. Oh boy, it always takes me a while to figure these out. Okay, move this here. Hello, hello. All right, let me take the chat. And I also need, hey, Mihai, how is everyone doing? Also need to move my phone with apparently Twitch not working now for some reason. I couldn't get YouTube and Twitch working at the same time, which was a bummer. So let me make this bigger. Can I change the? Sorry guys, I haven't streamed in a while and something always happens. Hey Orc, how are you today? It feels like I'm very zoomed in. Can I? No, I can't. Yeah, I wanted to use my new Osmo Pocket 3 to record, and then I figured that it doesn't work. So I had to move my phone, and then for some reason YouTube didn't work as well. So yeah. By the way, Rocket, if you're watching this, uh this white here, you should spread the background. Yeah. Look at my big face there. And we should be live on X as well. Let me see. Doesn't work. Can I? 23 people. Hi. Is it? Hmm. I wonder if I can get the chat out so I can read it. All right. So hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing great. We have a fun stream for today. Sorry, it took 15 minutes to set it up. Let's see. Can we have some music? Some lo-fi thingy. And let's put it like this, just to have something in the background. Can we use this? I like to listen to lo-fi when I'm building stuff. Although I don't know where. Vibes, whatever. Something like that. Could be. Okay. Let me know if it's like too loud or something. If you can hear me well. Hello, hello. Okay, look at that Inception thingy. I don't know how I can get a chat from X though, so I might not be reading that. Hey, Raphael. Yeah. Let's also mention that we're live. Is the music okay, by the way? Hey, Bob. How are you? We're live. Let's build a SaaS. Okay. Bob in the house. Yeah. Okay. Too bad I won't see the X chat, to be honest. How can I do that? Oh well. And here, I guess I can zoom in a bit so you can see better, right? Good. Yeah, I wish I had picture. No, I want this chat somewhere. Oh well, I'll put it here, and maybe if someone says something, I'll somehow be able to see it at some point. Noob. I've been streaming for a long time in the past, and yet sometimes if you don't do things for a while, you kind of forget. Yeah, and then I have this. Let me move this like here, put this down, put this there. Wait. Okay, I want to learn how to film myself, so okay, good. All right. Hello, Dana. All right, so for today, we have a big challenge. We want to build a SaaS from scratch. I still don't understand why my face is so big. Well, besides the fact that I'm fat, but like I guess I could put it like this. Haha. Good. All right, good. It shouldn't be very distracted. So, building a SaaS today using Rocket.new. By the way, they're kindly sponsoring this stream, so thank you for them. They wanted us to try out Rocket and build something, and I was thinking, what's a better way to try Rocket than to build a SaaS from scratch? I've been building tools with Rocket to play with it and see how it works, and it's pretty interesting. So yeah, now we're going to do it live and see how long it takes us. I basically have maybe 2 hours to build something. Yeah, they have a nice background. I had to zoom in a bit. By the way, we should have someone from the Rocket team. They said that they'll join as well. Whenever I'm in like a really big screen, they have this white background here, so maybe they should fix that as a suggestion. We're going to help them with our feedback, right? By the way, if you want to check out Rocket, it's free to try it out. There's a link there. I put it in a pinned comment, and let me put it on X as well for those. If someone is watching from X, just a second. Okay. By the way, chat, is the music okay, or is it too loud, or is it? Yeah, whatever. I have music. If you want, you can listen to your own. It should be something. Whatever. Music is low, and I like it like that. Okay. Low. Good. All right. So for today's app, what I was thinking, this is a secret that I'm going to share just with you. I haven't made this public yet, but I mentioned on X a while ago that I've been brainstorming with ChatGPT, and for the first time in like forever, I feel like I have a business plan. Something that I feel like I can do in the long term, not just like winging it, like, okay, make YouTube videos and then write a book and make a course and build a SaaS and sponsorships and all that, you know? By the way, this is all under the umbrella of my $1 million challenge. For those of you who don't know, on my website, you can like basically see live how my $1 million challenge is going. The goal is to make $1 million and documenting the entire process transparently. Everything I'm doing, ways I'm making money as a, I would say, developer at core, but then I'm going into indie hacking and content creation and all of that. So basically making money online. And one of the ways I've been brainstorming with ChatGPT is that I couldn't like figure out what my target audience is. Because for those of you who know, they say that you need to have a target audience so you know your messaging, right? So you know who you're targeting and you know what their pain points are and what they need, what problems they have, and so that you can provide solutions for those problems, right? Okay. And what I figured out is that I want to build SaaS apps or products for creators. And hence why I've been thinking today we should build a SaaS that helps creators have a better understanding of how their content is going. So basically, what happens if you have some posts on X or some videos on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or whatever? You would like to know which one is performing better, right? And I would like to build, hey Francisco, I would like to build a tool that basically integrates all these social platforms and you have a clear understanding of how your content is doing across different platforms or different accounts even. Like, I'm assuming some people have multiple accounts on the same platform, like on X, but for now so basically I'm building this tool mainly for myself, like a dashboard where I can see my latest posts and how many views they got, comments, replies. Maybe we can see like how many followers I get from these posts. And I feel like something like this, it would be valuable. Don't tell anyone I maybe have 20 accounts on one platform. Hacker. Yeah, that could happen. Okay, so by the way, why I'm not live here? Okay, good. Okay, good. So yeah, that's the basic idea that I have. And whenever I have an idea of an app, what I'd like to do is to go to ChatGPT and brainstorm with it. Like, I want to see, maybe there are some insights that I'm missing. So like what features I should focus on, because initially you would like to build an MVP for a SaaS. You don't want to build a fully fledged SaaS with hundreds of features and then launch it and nobody is interested in it, right? So whenever I have an idea, I try to sort of polish it into an MVP, which I can launch fast, ideally within a week or so, maybe even faster, to see if people are interested in something like that. So let's go on chat. I guess maybe I'm mistaken, but I don't know if Rocket has sort of like a planning feature right now, so that's why I'm using ChatGPT first and tell it I want to build a SaaS for creators that is sort of like a dashboard where creators can see how their content is doing across different social media platforms. Yeah, I'm not gonna one-shot prompt it. I usually try to, especially when I like do something bigger, I try to have a better like planning, before going into prompting. So yeah. So I want, okay, on this platform, on this dashboard, they can see all the connected accounts, X, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, and the views, likes, comments, basically all the metrics that they can use to figure out what piece of content works the best. A PRD. Yeah, you're right. A PRD, a product requirements document. Yeah. So can you help me with a PRD that I can use to build a very simple MVP that can an MVP which has the basic features for now, and later on we can expand. Question: why are you using Rocket ChatGPT if you use Rocket? So I want to polish my idea first before, because on Rocket you can tell it to build this. But now I'm kind of going back and forth with ChatGPT to polish the idea and have a PRD, as Bob said, you know? Okay. Look at that, see? So let's see, is it something? Perfect idea, creators and live this hub, blah, 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 blah. Creators today post multiple platforms. How is my content program? Okay, good. MVP objects allow us to connect, fetch and display key metrics, provide content level view showing best performing posts. So show a simple summary dashboard. Okay. Compare posts across platforms. Good. Small to mid creators. All right. Good. Now, that seems about right. Can you write a prompt that I can give to an LM to build this app for me? Make it, yeah. Let's see what happens this way. Hey Rakesh, how are you? By the way, Rakesh is from the Rocket team. We were discussing the things. Not sure if you got it. But first, if the screen is too big, this white background, maybe you should kind of spread, the background. Yeah, that's just a feedback idea. And then what we're doing right now is, before going into Rocket to tell it build this, I sort of go back and forth brainstorming a bit to see like what should we build first, Now this is, please, okay, this is like feels like a lot. Build my creator. Okay, you're a senior first. Okay, that connects social media to the metrics. Okay, this seems like good. User authentication, that will be with Superbase. Fetch this picture. Okay, in dashboard viewing. Good. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Okay, so basically we can go to Rocket and say something like this. Let's build an app that will let creators connect their social media accounts and view their metrics, view comments, like forever, cross-platform in one place. Okay. I want to build, okay, let's focus on building an MVP. That's good. We can paste that. Goals, user education, building connect, fetch display key metrics, a clear dashboard, minimal backend, simple modern UI. Do not, okay. Yeah, this seems about right. Let's put this as well. Okay. I don't know. I guess I don't need to format it, but my OCD kind of wants it, so whatever. Okay, good. And then tech stack. We don't care about tech stack because Rocket will take care of that. And also the data model, they'll take care of that as well. And the features, yeah, we just wanted like an overview. Okay, all right. Let's see what Rocket does for us. Okay. Yeah, it's a very cool tool. Now it's thinking. It will be, it will take a bit to have everything, because they do like the whole app for you. It's not just like the UI stuff. They build everything. Hey, Razvan, thank you for joining. And yeah, you can stay for long. Don't worry. Have a good one. Yes. So Orc is right. We have Rakesh from the team. If you have any questions about Rocket, you can ask them. Okay, so I can certainly help with that. Let me maybe zoom in a bit. Thank you, Petit pois. So, I'll build the social media metrics dashboard. This sounds like a comprehensive creator analytics platform that will help users track their performance across multiple platforms. Let me help you choose the best front-end technology. So we want a web app. React, JavaScript, Tailwind, CSS. Oh, yeah, I guess that's good. Yeah, Resman. Rocket is smart enough to just get started by a few initial inputs about the idea if you want to jump in and start building your app. Yes. That's right. You can just like brainstorm the idea right into it. I just like sometimes using ChatGPT to sort of polish my idea before going in, because as you noticed, like um maybe I said MVP here, so it didn't go off the rails, but um sometimes I've noticed is that an LLM, if you don't tell it to like slow down cowboy, it will go all in and like give you all sorts of extra features which you don't want initially. You just want an MVP at first. It's easier. I feel like it's easier to um kind of drive it to where you want it to go when you start smaller, than instead of having a full blown app with tons of features from start, you know? Hope it makes sense. So I'll build you a social media analytics dashboard using React and JavaScript that will initially be front-end only. After creation, you can integrate Supabase for authentication and data storage. Yep, we'll do that as well. Searching for templates. Nice. I think this is new. Okay, so let's see what else, just so we can figure out what we need. So platform connections. To be honest, I haven't done connections with YouTube, Instagram, X, and TikTok. So I guess we need those. Ooh. Yes. Rakesh says that if you're building a landing page or a website which SEO is crucial, you should choose Next.js as framework. Okay, select the screens you wish to build from the list. Token consumption is directly related to the number of screens generated. By the way, Rocket works on a token-based system. Rakesh, if you can expand on that. So basically, you tell it with what things to build, and it uses tokens to build those pages, right? So let's see. We want the user registration and login, an analytics dashboard, platform analytics details. Should we build the user settings as well? OAuth connection setup. I'm not sure what this means. Should we build all and see what? Yeah, let's build all 6 screens. See how it goes. By the way, chat, if you want the challenge, while I'm building this, you can use Rocket to build something on your own. Just go to Rocket.new and build something. At the end, we can see what everyone built. That should be fun. Okay, so post, metrics, posted thumbnail ID. That seems about right. Authentication, platform connection. Okay. So we need OAuth. I wonder how do you do that? I'm not very good at backend, by the way. So whenever I have something to deal with that for me, that's good. Overview card, total views, likes, comments, followers, line chart, API handling. Okay. Dashboard layout. By the way, Rakesh, can we can integrate backend afterwards, like, right? So we have frontend now, and then with Supabase, it can be our backend. I like Supabase experience for OAuth. Okay. And can we Oh, can we like connect through Superbase from like X and Instagram and YouTube and stuff through their OAuth? I don't know. I think we can. All right, look at that. We have code. I think you still need to make the auth for each platform. Okay. But is it like, Bob, I think like for auth on Superbase, it's like a login. You can log in with GitHub. But will it allow you to get the details from like Instagram? Can you get access to your Instagram posts and stuff like that? Post bridge. What's that tool? Yeah, this one from Jack. See, so whenever you connect a platform, how does that work under the hood? You know, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay, it says it needs a few minutes. What's this? Engage with your audience. Oh, look at that. Start a poll, start a Q&A. Nice, you can do that. Cool. Anyone watching from X? Type in the chat. It looks like I'm live there, but no comments, so not sure. Hey, Anuts. First time catching live. Quite interested to see how this goes. Awesome. Thanks for joining. We have 27 people. Nice. Honestly, I want to do more streams in the future. But yeah, I've been busy doing other things, so it would be nice to have some kind of a schedule where every week or whatever I go live and we build stuff. But yeah, you know how it goes. Look at that. You can see code being generated, which is cool. Yeah. We need to figure out how to get those working. Yeah, so this will be the perfect flow. Comments are disabled on the X stream? Really? What? But why? Let me see. Oh, wow. Yeah, no one. Okay. That sucks. Yeah, I didn't see there's a setting there that no one can chat. But why is that the default? Damn it. I'm going to end the stream on X and start it again. Is that okay? X, if you're watching, by the way, let me see. We still need a few minutes, right? Yeah. I'm going to end the stream and then start it again. So you can chat as well. Let's stop it here and then create the broadcast. We need a title. Oops. Okay, public. Everyone can chat. Start immediately. Okay, good. And then I'll do this. Source. Oh, oops. Okay. Do, do, do. All right. So now everyone should be able to chat. Is this still going? No. Let's go on my profile and see now. Hello, X. Okay, now we should be back on X. Sorry for the chat. I don't know why it didn't work. For those of you who will be rewatching this, we are live now building a SaaS for creators using Rocket.new. Right now, as you can see, it generates the code. We told it what to do. And yeah. Hello, X. Okay. Oh, look at that. Now the chat works on X. Hello, Raheel. Perfect. I wish they could like pop up as you can do on like on YouTube, but whatever. Yeah. Hey, Rakesh. Good. We have now the X chat going. Sorry about that. Not sure. I didn't know. It felt weird. I mean, it feels weird that the chat by default is disabled, you know? Okay. So we still have a few pages left, I assume. Can we see? This is the preview. Okay. So we set it to build 6 screens, basically everything. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. Is this the future of building things? To be honest, like I'm gonna be very honest with you now. For me, it was never really about like the coding per se, you know? I mean, I like coding, but for me it was more about building stuff, like bringing my ideas to life. And if I can have a tool help me do that faster, I'm like okay with that. Hey, Christian. You know, I mean, I know some people, and it's perfectly fine. Some people still like to write all the code, and they want to get into the flow of, you know, coding and stuff like that. I'm not one of them. I want to build stuff. I want to be in the, like, I want to focus on the how should I say it? Like the overview picture of building an app, bringing it to life, marketing it, selling it, like all of that things, you know. Hey, Kadir, what app builder are you using? I'm using React.new. You can check it out, by the way. There's a link. I keep losing the link. I'll put it in the X chat as well, if you want to try it out. All right, so we have 2 pages already completed. There are 4 more. You basically want to make money. Yeah, that's true. And it's not, I mean, it's not just because of the money. I'm not like, I don't use a lot of money. I mean, okay, I use some money because I like to eat good food and travel. But other than that, I mean, it's not like I want to buy a Lambo and stuff like that, you know. But what I like about making money is, it's sort of, for me, in my brain at least, it's sort of, how should I explain it? Like, when I feel like when I make money is because someone sees value in what I'm doing, you know? So that's all it is about making money. So if I make a lot of money, it's because I somehow managed to bring enough value and good value, uh hey Pontus, love your posts and work. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. So yeah, that's why I like making money. It just to prove myself that hey, what I'm doing is good. Obviously, like legal and not scammy and stuff like that, because you can make money selling shit and stuff and scamming people. But yeah, that no, I would never do that. But whenever you build something and people buy it, it just shows that, for me at least, that it's valuable. And yeah, that's why I like it. Yeah, exactly. As Orc said, in the end of the day, making good value and helping people is the most important thing with content creation. Exactly. The teasing message got held for a user moderator. Not sure what you mean, but yeah. Okay, good. So 3 more pages. We will have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and X. By the way, how many of you still call it Twitter? Set Twitter instead of TikTok or whatever. I start to call it X more and more. We have 30 people in the chat. Hello, everyone. Say hi. Say hi if you are with us. And yeah, once we have the first version ready, this will be front end only for now. And then we're going to connect with Supabase. I need to be careful not to leak things, which might happen. Hopefully not. But yeah, hey Bob. Thanks for being active. Say hi back. Hi back. Yeah. So after we have the front end, we need to connect with Supabase to have the login. And then we need to figure out how to have some connection with some app, maybe, I don't know, Twitter or YouTube or Instagram, just to get some information from there. That will be nice. If we can do this today, I would be happy. To be honest, I'm a bit nervous about the connection side because I haven't done it. So we'll have to figure out. Maybe we can chat with, let's see. So technically, what do I need to be able to pull data from, let's say, Instagram? Twitter API might work. Do you have a dev account on X? Yes, I have. Hi back. Yeah, hi back. Okay, let's see what the... While Rocket is building the front end, we can learn more about how to do things. Isn't it like funny? I asked a simple question and then it thought for 23 seconds. Yes. You need Instagram professional account, Facebook page, Meta developer app, permission. Whoa, boy. So use Facebook login to get a user access token. Exchange for a long-lived token, 60 days. Get Instagram ID. Wow. That's a bunch of things that we'll need. Okay. Out of X, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, which one would be the simplest to add to the creator dashboard at first? We need to do a bunch of things. Okay, let's see. So I see Rocket does a bunch of things here. Engagements and audience data and I would like, by the way, Rakesh, I think I would like to see the files here just to, so while it generating, because otherwise, yeah, I don't know. It's just a personal preference, I guess. Right now, I can't see anything. Yeah, Rocket is owning it. All right, start with YouTube. Is the least fussy to integrate and give you useful metrics. Public, well-documented APIs, no special account, basic video channel stats, endpoints, ship this weekend. Connect to Google, list latest uploads, show per view, stats, channels. Okay, Instagram medium, TikTok harder, X hardest. So for X, we'll need to pay. Ugh. Why are you like that, X? Let's see. X pricing API. Can we? Oh, free. One project, one app, 100 posts, 500 posts. Right. Okay. So that's not enough. Yeah. So Bob asks if we can commit to GitHub and sync changes to projects there from Rocket. I think so, but Rakesh will know better to answer that. We have 2 more pages to complete. For some reason, it's stuck now. The code side, we don't see any generation anymore. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, so should we start with YouTube? You're welcome, Bob. I like the fact that it takes a bit longer to build. It means that they're doing a better job, like behind the scenes. Okay, let's see what's this going to be about. So I think we still need to create some kind of an app on YouTube, right? Connect that to it. Oh, look at that. The pages are ready. Ooh, let's see what we'll have. So Rakesh says that you can see code once the initial code generation is done. Okay. Yeah, look at that. We have all the code here. We also have the README. Nice. Like, I wonder why didn't it use next if I told it I want a dashboard. And can we convert the React app to next? Whoa. Look at that. Nice. So this is the front end we got. Pretty cool. So we got a total views, likes, comments, followers. Nice. Okay. Look at that. We even have credentials for app function experience. Let's use that. Can we? Oh. User login. Oh, we have there the credentials. Okay. Sign in. Nice. Whatever. Yeah, this is very good. Very good. Like the UI, nice. We have the platform breakdown. Like UI wise, is really nice. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we have this. Nice. So let's see. Created user registration page with form validation, responsive design. Implemented analytics dashboard with 6 reusable components and real-time data visualizing using recharts. Added secure login with OAuth integration and comprehensive profile. Nice. So now, there are 35 pages. Nice. I had like 13. Oh, wow. So I had like 13.7 million tokens, and now I have 13, so like 700,000, which is pretty good. Okay, it gave React as you selected React as framework when Rocket asked before. It was the one that suggested. Usually I've seen it suggest Next, so that's good. All right. Like, this is like much more than I expected. So many features. It's a lot more than an MVP. Just, yeah, look at that. Pretty cool. Wow. So many things. Let's see. So put REST API endpoint with request and response into the chat to integrate accurately. Mention page name as well, or it will choose the current up on screen. Okay. So next, if you want to, let's see, integrations. Okay, so I see I already have Supabase. We can integrate with Resend, Stripe, Analytics, AdSense, Anthropic, Gemini, OpenAI, Twilio. So let's choose. I have this. Although I kind of use this. Give me a second. I don't want to. Okay, hi. I'm just looking to see. I don't want to leak anything on Supabase. So you'll have to watch my face for a bit. I want to see what kind of project I have here. Yeah, this is the only one running. I think I just use this for testing purposes. I don't want to be wrong. Okay, achievements, time projects. Yeah. Okay, so I can overwrite this. Let's go back to. Okay. Please wait a moment and try updating the credentials after the current process completes. Privacy number on priority. We get to see you better too. Yeah. Okay. Now, Rakesh, what's like the next step if you want to add, let's say, integration with YouTube? We just tell it, hey, integrate YouTube, or like what's the? You mentioned that put REST API endpoint with request and response into the chat to integrate correctly. Mention page name as well. So right now we know that everything is front end, right? And we can use the commands, by the way. We can use like files and folders. We can tag the pages we want, which is cool. And also like update app name, logo, fix layout issue. Let's do fix layout issue. I want to fix like this bubble. Okay. On the let's see, dashboard. We inside the total comments element, the last 7 days, how is this called? Like pill is on 2 lines. Can we decrease the spacing between icon, title, and pill? I wonder if I explain it right. By the way, I hope I don't forget to leave for gym. That will be weird. So now that we have the front end, we'll need to connect something. That will be good. Maybe YouTube at first. Do, do, do. Okay, it said something there. You should give a prompt to integrate Supabase because right now it is just connected but not integrated. Ooh, okay. I'll fix total comments card layout by reducing spacing between icon and title. Added flex properties white space to prevent pill text wrapping. Implemented truncation and flex string control for better responsive behavior. Let's see. Nice, look at that. It's pretty cool. It knew what I wanted. Okay, so Rahil says we should integrate Supabase. So I just tell it like I connected Supabase. Can you integrate it now so that it gets all the data from Supabase, right? Let's see what it says. It still says ongoing process. And the thing is that I had Supabase, like for this, I already had this project. So I hope it kind of needs to clean it up first. Let's see how it does it. Okay. And then we're going to try to connect to YouTube. If you want, I can sketch out execute to MVP flow. Yes, let's see what's the YouTube flow. I have to go. Really, left. Keep it up. Bye. Take care, Rosman. Bob. Yeah, Rakesh Bob asks if you have Ask an Agent mode. Vladimir, how much is tax in Romania? Like it was 3%. It's still 3%, like income tax, if you have a business, and then you pay 10% dividends. But next year is going to be 16% dividends. So yeah, it's great, but it was. I mean, no, it's good, but it was amazing. Like a few years ago, it was 1% tax and 5% dividends. So basically, I would get 94% of the money I made through my business, which is crazy. But right now, it's 3% plus 16%. And if you earn above a certain number, like 100, I think it's 250,000 euros now, you pay 16% on profit plus 16% dividends. So yeah, in a few years, it went from 6% overall to 32% if you are above $250,000, euros, whatever. Rahil says, do you have tables there? If yes, it will not be able to override it and it can cause issues. Yeah, I have. Slash commands are like, so Bob asked, and Rakesh says, slash commands are like specialized agents in Rocket. It's funny, Bob asks questions in the YouTube chat and Rakesh answers in X chat. So I should have cleaned up the repo, the Supabase table, I guess. Whoops. To continue working on, please push the database changes mentioned above. Okay. Your app may not function properly. I mean, that could be an issue since I didn't have a clean table. Whoops. Let's push the Supabase. What's the error? Okay, I pushed. I wonder how did that change? Let's say fix. Try again. Not authenticated. Can I go to user login now? I might have messed up with that. App fully finished yet? Not yet. We have the front end ready, and now we're trying to integrate the back end. Hey, Christy, how are you? We have to name the app. Can we ask Rocket what name it might suggest? Yeah, that's a good question. Okay, so I wonder, yeah. I think there is a way, let me add. I have a Supabase project which already has tables. How can I clean it and have a fresh project? Is there an SQL thingy I can write? Small break from work. Is Rocket better than Lovable? It's an interesting question. We have people from Rocket, Rakesh and Rahil. What would you say are the difference between Rocket and Lovable? Since people asking. I know that Lovable is very popular, so yeah. Christy was asking what's the difference. I mean, if it's better. So yeah, what would you say? Okay, so now we can sign in. Oh, I can use this. Does it work? Nope. So I guess we need to continue, but we didn't integrate Google yet. Hope I'm not leaking something, but I want to go to the project to see. Yeah, we have all of these. You can drop every table and all related constraints, views, functions in one go with this SQL snippet. Yeah, I wonder if we should run it. Truncate all tables. Recreate the schema. But I guess now we can't log in. Can we see the dashboard? No. But we don't have a username. That's an issue. If we do Google, we don't have it. Um, what you can do is disconnect the project from the integration tab, connect a new project, and then run the script Rocket generated manually in Supabase. So I go to integrations and disconnect the project. I don't want to create a new project because I'll have to pay for it, you know? So what if I run this command to drop all the tables? Will that work? You said that Rocket generated a script. This one? Oh, okay. Okay. So I should like drop the tables, and or you know what? Let me. I can pause the project. I don't think I'm. Where is the settings? Pause project. I can pause the project. You can pause an existing one and then create a new one. Yeah. I'm pausing it and then I'm creating a new one. New project. Let's call it whatever. Creator dashboard. Generate the password. Do I need it? Hopefully I don't leak it. Yeah. Okay. Sure, save it. So now I can go to integrations and select creator dashboard. Look at that. Perfect. Good. And now I should run this, right? Or should I tell Rocket to do it for me? Can it do that? Can we add goals? Super chat now. I want. Oh. Can I add other goals like likes? Whatever. Okay, so this worked. Hey Dorutsu, how are you? Yeah, let's run this, I guess. Let's see, creates a type, public, platform posts, daily analytics. It feels like there's a lot of like data in here. So SQL editor, paste it here, and then pray it works. Okay, relation, public user profile does not exist. Run the script manual, and then if it does not work, it can debug that using the logs of the new project. So I just say what do I say now? It does not work. It can debug that using the logs of the new project. So I try to run the Supabase SQL that you gave me, but it didn't work. Saying what? This. Let's see. Does it know to run it again? I guess it didn't run anything. No. So it's basically a new project now. Directly connect new project now, and the old script does not work. Yeah, okay, I did it. I'll fix this Supabase database schema by creating all the required tables from scratch, including the missing user profiles table. Okay, thank you. Thank you. To do a Control Plus for us. Are you watching from your phone? Is this better now? By the way, I have 40 more minutes. I hope we can do the YouTube integrations list. Now it feels like it's logged in and then it redirects me here. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Something happened. Not sure what. I've heard something. I heard a sound, but I'm not sure what that is. Some follow or something? I don't know. I wonder if my music here is like free to have on YouTube. Probably not, and I'm going to get demonetized. Oh, okay. So to continue, please push the database changes. All right, push changes. Let's hope it works. So we have the demo credentials. Yeah, something is wrong now. It doesn't work. Yes, integrated with Supabase. What are you working on? I'm building a dashboard for creators to be able to see all of the social posts from all of the accounts, like YouTube, X, Instagram, in one dashboard, like the posts and everything. Okay, so now it did that. We have the user profiles. Okay, should it like work now if we log in? Back in 2020, I was building something called social media dashboard. The goal was to create something that you can share and it contains all your social media stats. Yeah, that would be cool. Okay. So let's just say it. Do we have a user registration? Yeah, let's create an account. And before that, let's tell it fixed layout issue. On the user registration page, the input boxes have white border and they are not very visible. Make the border black. I guess that's you should see more, to be honest. I know that's on my mind, but yeah, I don't know. I told the chat before, like, I want to stream more, like at least have some kind of schedule, stream every week or something where we build stuff, we check out how other stuff is going. It will be fun, but doing that and writing content for Axe and making videos and writing a newsletter and building on the side, it's a bit tricky. Hopefully in the long term, I can have a team to help me with editing and ideation and stuff like that. But yeah, Joseph, how far along are you? So we have the UI, which is really nice, But now so the first step was to build a UI, and then we integrated with Supabase, and now we want to have, like, see if we can log in, log out, and add data to the dashboard, like from a backend. And then we want to have some kind of OAuth to connect to YouTube or something to get the data. Hey Mac, how are you? Dorothy, I keep telling kids this once in a while, but he doesn't listen. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you should stream yourself. It's tricky, you know, to do everything. Ideally, you should do that, but yeah. Okay, let's see. Fixed input border visibility, enhance the form layout responsiveness. You updated registration form structure. Okay. Let's see. Okay, maybe it's a bit too black, but whatever. Full name. Why would it be required? But whatever. Florian Pop. Let's see. Florian Pop at florianpop.com. Password. Let's use this. And let's use that email. Creator. Yeah, that's it. Oh, damn it. Oh, look, I can do that. I agree, whatever. Create account. Does it work? Okay, it did. Nice. Now, we don't want this to be connected by default. I know it's just like UI thingy. And then the dashboard, like, see? So something is wrong when we log in now. That's not okay. Will you now realize you need to integrate resend for email? No. Hey Joseph, thank you for stepping by. Have fun at work. I don't know if it worked. I think I messed it up when I integrated Supabase on an old project. Let's tell it. Something is wrong with the login registration. It doesn't seem to be working fine. I mean, I said the same thing. It doesn't seem to let me log in and see the dashboard properly. Let's see what it does. I guess here, since we logged in, we should have seen a new account here, a new profile. And we only have this table. Why is that? We should have more tables. Yeah, it did not create the user. We only have these two users, which it created initially. And it still doesn't allow me to log in with those users. So something is wrong. Okay, I'll fix the authentication issue with your login system. It sounds like might be problems with Supabase authentication integration or routing after login. All right, let's see how it goes for that. Rakesh or Rahil, if you're still here, yeah, let us know if something we can do. Yeah, it reviews the Supabase table. It reviews the Supabase logs, so we can see, hey, why it didn't work, you know. Okay, so we can go on this page And we can also see this one. But yeah, this is all dummy data, which is fine, but we need the tables to get the data from Supabase. Something is not okay. Hey Doc, nice to meet you. How are you? Okay, let's see if the yeah, so the login is not working for now. Yeah, that's what they need to do. You missed 20 minutes. I built the entire thing. Have you tried the prompt build me $1 million SaaS, make no mistakes? Yeah, I did in the past. I did it in Cursor once. And it built something. I haven't checked it though. But it spent like a half an hour, maybe not half an hour, like 15 minutes working on it. So it must be I must have like $1 million SaaS on my Mac, but I didn't even know like what it does. Which is funny. Glad to hear that, Doc. Okay. Yeah, story for start to story. Like imagine if I go and check the app and it's really good. That would be funny. But I just built it and then it took so long and then I got bored and I forgot about it. I just you reminded me that I have it. Hey. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so we are in the logging phase. That's so the UI is great. I guess. Let's see. Users. Oh, so it just created 2 users. So it didn't create the other tables. I think I messed up when I had the project. Had the project already, so yeah, whatever. Okay, what happened? Okay, fixed authentication by replacing mock local storage with proper supervision integration, added missing sign up, created header, email verification required, blah, 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 blah. You need to manually navigate back to this platform to continue to log in. Okay. Let's see what it does here. Kind of does the same thing. So, please, yeah, okay, let's do push, just so it knows that we did it. You needed 2 laptops? Why do you say I need 2 laptops? Push. We push and see what it does. I wonder, yeah. So we still have these 2. Whoops. What happened? Hello? This is the white screen of that. Okay. Uh, so failed to run SQL error, null value in column of relation value is not gonna. Okay, fix it. Properly manage integration. Okay. This is called chill vibe solutioning. So we had something. Failing row contains. I am assuming that it doesn't work because we already had those entries. Oh boy. Yeah. We shouldn't have. We should have had the project already. Fix demo users' identities. Okay, let's push. Push, push, push. Let's see what happens now. What does it do? Okay, so it deletes and then it adds okay. Do 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 do. Question for Rakesh. I would like to try Rocket. Does Foreign have a special offer with a partnership for bonus credits? That's a good question, Rakesh. I think if you use the link, they can see. I mean, yeah, Rakesh or Rahil, if someone is still in the chat, is there some code or something that people can get extra tokens for being super fans, top fans? That would be cool. Why it keeps turning widescreen when I change tabs? Maybe the project was a bit too ambitious, or maybe I messed up when I had the Supabase project already, so the Supabase integration failed. I don't know. Can we redo the entire Supabase integration from scratch? Check out the project and all the data that it needs to be stored in Supabase, including new users, new user registrations. And let's redo it from scratch. Hey Mahmoud, have a good day too. Let's try this. Too bad this didn't work fast. But yeah, this is the life of building stuff. What can you do? I have like 20 more minutes. I feel like it will be um, interesting from Rocket to sort of do ask you more questions before building stuff. Like I'm looking now, uh, and they have integrations with Google and GitHub. I'm not sure why GitHub. I mean, okay, this is just the UI, so it's not that important. But yeah. Yeah, we had a big win with the UI. That's true. The UI was great. Like I really liked it. On this Supabase integration part, I feel like I shouldn't have added a project that was already created. Although I did this in the past, and it sort of it figured it out, like to create other tables. So yeah, that's on me. 67. I see here we have all the code for building the MVP for YouTube integration. That's cool. Maybe this works now. Hey, okay. We have something. And this feels to be okay. See, we don't have any data because it's coming from Supabase. How can I? Okay. Good. That's good. I mean, it doesn't look good, but it's good. Okay. We still have some dummy data here. Like it really went deep with all the functionalities. I feel like it's a bit too much. We didn't ask it to have advanced insights, but they still added it, which is okay, but then it's error prone, right? That's why I wanted to focus on the basic features, I guess. But it's okay. Once we have the Supabase integration, we'll be able to change things around. Mm-hmm. Yeah, still waiting to see. Okay, we have the complete social media analytics. Let's see. What's this? Okay, so we have the platforms, the post status, metric type, connection status. Good. We have an error code. Render more hooks than during previous render. We'll fix that. Let's push to Supabase first, and then we'll fix the errors, if any. I see you guys are chatting in the in the comment section as well. Nice. Hey, Stefan. Good. We're waiting for... Okay, we have the integration. Do we... Yeah, look at that. Nice. So now we have some data. Let's... Where's the... There used to be some kind of a refresh. Well, I guess we can refresh the page. Errors. Okay, let's fix this. So we're slowly getting there. That's good. Good. We have some dummy data, which now comes from Supabase. So that's great. Now the only thing, let's see. So the user ID 0B is this, the creator. Okay. So now since we're logged in with the creator, we should see the data from Supabase. And if that works, that's nice. We'll be on our way. Let's drink some more juice. H2O juice. Okay, so the error is fixed. Let's see, do we have any errors left? Maybe another thing we messed up was the fact that we built all the pages from the start. Okay, so let's see. If you go to the analytics, we still have some content that's dummy. Let's see what we have here. So we have followers. Does it say platform? Which platform is this? LinkedIn. Okay. So have 20,000. Where do we see LinkedIn? Connections. You need $100 Twitter developer API access to pull all interesting data, right? I think it's $200, but you still have something on the free account. But you can only have one user. So yeah. Okay, so we have something here. 9,000 followers. Let's see, 3. That's 8. It's not okay yet. Okay, let's tell it. Make sure that you replace all the dummy data from the UI/frontend with data coming from Supabase backend database. Supabase backend. I just gave it multiple words to see if it's okay, because right now we still have UI elements that are not coming from backend. I still don't know, yeah, which ones. Maybe maybe it was a big stretch to have all the... Maybe you should have built an app which integrates only with YouTube at first, and we get the YouTube data, posts, like videos, views, comments, stuff like that. Right now we have multiple platforms. Is anyone from Rocket still in the chat? Okay, I'm replacing all the dummy mock data throughout the UI with real data from your Supabase database. Let me update the entire front end to pull live data from your backend. Good. That's good. Goody, goody, goody. Okay. I was watching this post by Mark. Pretty cool. He's just selling a boilerplate. He's just selling a course. He's just selling ads. Look at that. Like 30, 50, 70, like 70 something $1,000. Nice. It's cool. It's cool what you can build over time, building stuff and talking about what you're building. That's the goal. That's the dream. That's probably platform where you get at it pretty easily. No X there. Yeah. Okay, I heard that song again. What happened? Oh well, not sure. Okay. So updated created accounts component to replace mock data with Supabase integration. Enhanced user profile settings with dynamic account settings. Stats from database. Added proper landing states error handling. Okay. Right? What's that thing? I don't know. Is it from the... But it's not from the song. I'll reset the song. But yeah, the thing is too, like... too loud to come from the music. So nah, it shouldn't be the ding. Not sure what it is. But yeah, funny. Maybe some, I don't know, like or something. Okay. We still see content from Rock. Oh, maybe? Yeah, maybe it's Rock, but maybe. Maybe it's Rocket when it finishes? Oh, yeah, it might be. Yeah. You're right. So when it finishes and you're not focused on the platform. Now, the thing is, I don't feel like it got all the data from the front end. Should we try building another app? Just with YouTube data for now. But then we need to expand that. Oh boy. So I feel like the UI is great, but the connection with Supabase, we messed up something there. That's my... The linking to the pages is good. But yeah, it still has, like, let's say... On the analytics page, only get data values from Supabase. Replace all the dummy data information. Let's go specific using the commands and the specific pages. Let's see if that fixes things. I should have mentioned do it based on the logged in user. Do, do, do. It looks cool. Yeah, the UI is great. But we need to do the integrations to properly have a fully fledged platform. Do, 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 do. We have posts. Oh, these. Oh, okay. So it kind of expects that we get a post from social media and we store it in our backend, right? Yeah. I feel like that's the play, right? Let's look at the code. This is the React sort of basic project. Yep. It uses React router. Okay. Okay. Let's see now the analytics details page. Update the analytics detail page to replace all mock data with Space integration, added proper loading state, enhanced analytics services with new models. Okay, good. We have this. We have Instagram. That's good. And we have behind the scene post. Yeah, look at that. Behind the scene content creation. Nice. So this now gets the data from Supabase. I don't know where these views are coming from. Also, why we have 0 posts here, but we have 2 here. So there are still some mismatches. But like followers, if we look up platform analytics. Yeah, we have 5,200 followers on this user ID. I mean, oh, but we also have 3,800 followers for what's this? Twitter. And I wonder where it got the... Okay, engagement. We have reach 45,000. Okay, we have this reach for what's this platform? LinkedIn, Instagram. This is okay, but still not perfect. That's oh, we have it. Oh, we have is it Instagram there? Followers 5. Okay, so this is good. So can we go? Oh, nice. So this is good. Now these 2 posts, they don't appear here for some reason. But the reach and that is good. Okay. I don't know where the views are coming from because we don't have many posts there. And recent content performance. Let's see the content. So we have IG post, behind the scenes, and we have social media strategy tips. Social media strategy tips, which is a Twitter post. And it gets the connection. Okay, Instagram, good. So we should still see here 1, unless I'm missing something. And also these are not good views. But other than that, okay. Okay, so we are somewhere. It's 4 o'clock. Let's. We don't have integration. It's all coming from database. But let's see if we sign out. Can we sign in? Invalid credits. Okay, so that was good. Okay, so that works. That works. We don't have the percentages here. At least we have content from the backend. Let's fix these posts. We have update content on the analytics dashboard. The recent posts have invalid data. Get it from Supabase or have a placeholder saying no posts yet. Okay, so I feel like slowly, if we take all the pieces, considering the fact that the integration was a bit not good, because yeah, I guess I shouldn't have had a project Supabase already. Flamebird, can we make it from scratch? Yeah, if you go on Rocket, you can tell it what app you want it to build. It will start with the UI, and then you have to connect Supabase and build a backend. So that's what we're doing now. But we know the UI is working, and we have a integration with Supabase. We just need to, let's see, update and text. Oh, no post yet for empty post state. Okay. On the recent posts, there are still 2 posts that are not posts data that are not properly taken from Supabase. Fix that. Let's try to fix these 2. And here as well, the connected platforms. We don't have that. And the platform breakdowns. But the followers is good for this creator. Yeah, we have this creator has 9,000 followers. Yeah, that's good. So slowly but surely we can fix things. And then we'll be all about integrating the platforms into it and getting the data from the platform, storing it in Supabase, and all that fun stuff. I guess we can even tell it to build more, to give us more dummy data so we can see it on the platform from Supabase. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Fixed analytics test for PostgreSQL to properly join platforms connections table. Updated data mapping to include all required fields. Add the proper thumbnail. Yeah, it still didn't work. Okay. Let me tell it to update content. Check the entire analytics dashboard page and make sure there's proper data coming from Supabase. Check the tables and get the right data from them and show it in the UI. Currently, there are some empty elements on the page. I burned through some credits. So yeah. And we still have something. We still have some work to do. So maybe my prompts weren't the best. But yeah, I'll have 5 more minutes, I guess, max. Then I'll need to get ready for gym. My coach is waiting. Well, not now, but he will. Yeah, chat, I hope you enjoyed it. We should do more content like this in the future. Now we have more experience to know how to properly do an integration, I guess. Let's see if that sound comes from Rocket. If I'm not on the platform, we can test that. Yeah. This is where the song comes from. Okay. So yeah, it still doesn't get the right data here for some reason. But it does get it on the analytics page, which is good. Can we see what it changed? Analytics service page. Let's see. Analytics service. That long page. Oh well, it's a long debugging to be done here. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. We built well worth it. Thank you, Bob. While we wait, can you tell us a bit about your newsletter strategy? Good question. The idea is to, by the way, let me see. Beehive. Do I get a new subscriber today? I want to get at least 1 sub per day. Yeah, I got. Nice. 3 subs. Cool. So the main idea is for me to get better at writing and telling my journey, like what I'm doing on a weekly basis or maybe every other week, what I'm working on, how things are going, how much money I made, and stuff like that. And I want to do that in a newsletter because it's easier to write first. And then from the newsletter, I want to make YouTube content, board content, posts on X, and stuff like that. So basically, I'm thinking of it like a sort of a pyramid, but not like a pyramid scheme, but sort of like in the top is one piece. It's the core where it's like me building stuff, and then talking about it, writing a newsletter about it, and then from that comes a video and a long form video, and then short form videos and posts on social media. And ideally, I want to build tools that help me make this easier. Tools that give me ideas, tools that I can use to store content ideas from others. So whenever I'm randomly scrolling on Instagram and stuff like that, and I see like a piece of content I like, I want to have a place to store it, to have inspiration. And yeah, I have many ideas in this part, but the main goal is to be able to create better content, build better products, and help the community this way, the community of builders and content creators. That's sort of like the big goal. I'm still trying to figure out how to do it properly. But yeah, I'll bring you along on my journey and share everything that I'm doing, what's working and what's not. So hope that is fun for you. All right, so that's it for today. I want to thank Rocket again for sponsoring me on this stream. We should try again, maybe with the smaller app idea. I feel like here there were many moving pieces, and I had the integration wrong. My bad there, that the project was already created, so it kind of went off rails after that. Yeah. Thank you all for joining. I hope you liked it, and I plan to stream more in the future, where we hang out, build stuff, talk about content, building, making money from this, and just, yeah, hang out with the community. That's fun, right? Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.